Welcome to Simply Learn Tech 101. Today we are going to focus on AI tools that will improve our productivity in many aspects of our life. The first tool that I want to show you is in jenspark.ai. This is an amazing platform that you can create presentations and compare files. It's an amazing tool, has a lot of options. I use it a lot, and I want to show you what I'm using it for. Here I'm taking two PDF files and I'm asking it to create a PowerPoint presentation based on those two files. So it thinks, works, and then what it does, it generated for me an amazing presentation that compares between those two products in each of the files. The end result, look how beautiful, generates a PowerPoint that details all the differences between the products, a comparison, each tool, what it does. Beautiful presentation. I can take a two-dimension picture and ask Gemini to transform it to 3 dimensions so I can understand exactly how the object looks like. So this is the prompt that I will provide. Make an isometric model of the 3 towers in the picture. Let's see what we get. Look at this amazing result. Now I can understand better how those towers look like in a 3-dimension picture. This works with every object, even cars and whatever object that you want to turn to a 3-dimension. Another amazing tool that I want to show you today is the Google AI Studio. For example, PowerPoint, and we don't have an idea how to do something. For example, I am in PowerPoint and I want to add a frame, or I want to add a picture to my presentation and I don't know how to do it. So Google with AI Studio changed everything. It allows me to share my screen while I'm using PowerPoint or Word or any other program and ask it how I do something in specific. And it will tell me how to complete what I want to do. It's amazing because instead of having to search for how to do a specific thing in Google, you can just share your screen and ask it, and it will respond. It's really amazing. I love using it. I remember many years ago when I was learning Excel. So for every function that I wanted to do, I had to search, and it took me a long time to learn. So Google changed everything with this module. So if I want to use it, what I need to do is I need to go to Google AI Studio and then to stream, and then I can share my screen and it will ask you some authorization to share your screen and microphone, and you need to approve. And then you can just ask it how to complete a function and it will tell you. So this is absolutely amazing, and I encourage you to investigate further. It will assist you in many things, and it will assist you to master a specific program, such as PowerPoint, Word, Excel. If you are using Photoshop, whatever program that you're using, and you don't know how to do something, just go to Google AI Studio, share your screen, and ask it any question, and it will immediately respond. Amazing tool by Google. Google, thank you very much. Concept that I want to talk with you about it today is the usage of agents, AI agents. Most of the times what we are doing with AI is just asking questions with chatbots like Microsoft Copilot or ChatGPT, but we can also implement and configure tasks for AI. For example, using this platform, NO8, I can ask AI to do for me specific tasks that I do it all the time. So instead of doing it manually and repeating every day a specific task that I need to do with AI agents, this platform, I can configure a set of procedures and it will save me time. What I did with this platform is I ask it that every day it will check the tides, and when it's low tide and the weather is above 25 degrees Celsius, it will send me an email that it will tell me, Juan, today is a good day to go out and surf. So before that, what is the tide and when is the tide, and also if the weather is nice, and then I will get to the conclusion that it's a nice day to go surf. This procedure. Now, just be aware that it's not so easy to configure. It needs some tuning. It's not for people that don't have a background in technology, but I encourage you to look at it, to look at um, tutorials in YouTube, how to use AI agents, because it will facilitate your day-to-day life. Also important to mention that the options for using AI agents are endless. If you have tasks that you need to repeat every day, so better use AI agents. It's like having an employee that will do for you all the boring tasks that you need to do every day or just once in a while, and you are just bored of doing that. Another amazing tool that I want to show you today is timeos.ai. This is a platform that if you're having Zoom conferences, this tool is exactly for you. Me, for example, most of the day, I'm just having a lot of Zoom conferences with different clients and different companies. So what this tool allows me, it allows me to summarize automatically all the meeting that I had, and it also divides the topics that were discussed by which people said what in the conversation. So it summarizes all the conversation, and it has many tools related to Zoom and summarizing video conferences. Many times you are in a conference and someone needs to send an email with the summary of the meeting. So this is the exact tool that you need to summarize for you those meetings. Really an amazing tool. I use it all the time. Notion AI Agent is a tool that I use Notion AI to assign tasks for my team. Very good tool, works smoothly. It even generates ideas for making my business bigger. This is a tool that if you're working in a team of people, in order to arrange all the tasks and assign tasks to different employees, it also will remind them about things that they didn't complete. This is the tool that you need to look at. Very good tool. I recommend you to purchase it, especially if you are working in a team. The last tool that I want to share with you today is the Notebook LM. This is a tool that was created by Google. It's a fascinating tool that the main usage, especially for me, is that I can take a text document and it will generate for me a flow chart, or it even will generate for me a presentation that looks very professional, better presentation that I'm creating manually. The Notebook LM will generate for me a presentation, professional presentation, in a matter of seconds. So this will summarize for you documents, it will generate presentations, it will generate flow charts, and it will generate it in a way that it looks very professional. What I do with this, I just take a bunch of documents and I generate comparison presentations for my clients. So I hope the video of today will assist you in your day-to-day task, and especially it will save you a lot of video